Hey guys, welcome back to AmeriBrade. I'm super excited to introduce our brand new product. This is the Kamimura Trident. It is a 2x48 grinder. I'm super excited to finally release this into the wild.
Some people might need something simpler that is a little more affordable to get started, or just give them the more basic set of functionality that is necessary. People are working out of a small garage, and that means that you don't have a lot of bench space or a lot of floor space. So trying to keep it smaller, or if you're a shop that has multiple machines, you don't need such a huge machine taking up space next to your mills or your lathes or just in your lineup. So the 2x48 belt helps us keep it smaller.
I had to have a quick change small wheel. The small wheel is incredibly versatile. We use it all the time on our other machines, so we thought this machine really needed that as well, so it had to have that. You needed a flat platen, so we wanted to use our same hardened flat platens on this. That is absolutely necessary. You know, a lot of the other kind of entry-level grinders, I'll call it, don't really have good flat platens. They might be short, or they're just mild steel, or a lot of problems there. So we wanted a real good flat platen on this one.
You can even remove that flat platen and go to slack grinding if you're grinding convex contours and need to really let the belt flex around shapes that you can't do with any of the other attachments.
Another thing that we kind of noticed with some of the other products that are already out there for this price point was tracking stability. Tracking is incredibly important. We really nailed that on our other machine, and we made sure we wanted to continue being known for very stable tracking. So we put a lot of thought into tracking on this machine as well. And it does track in forward and reverse. With some of the machines that are out there, belt changes are less than desirable. They take a while, or you have to use tools and all this stuff. Having the quick belt changes on our other machine, we knew that was just an absolute game changer. So we came up with a real nice ratcheting tension system, and it makes for incredibly quick belt changes. I mean, you're talking seconds, so can't get much better than that. We're super happy with the way the belt change came out.
Super fast to go from coarse grits and roughing all the way up to your fine grits for polishing, and you can even throw on a leather belt, and since this will run in reverse with the variable speed option and track well in reverse, you can sharpen on that leather strop. This does come in a single speed or a variable speed option. Single speed option is obviously more affordable, so if you don't need the variable speed, that's a great way to go to get in at an even lower price point. The variable speed is a really nice option if you work with multiple materials where you need to avoid burning wood or melting plastic. Just crank it up to be able to hog through some metal faster.
We knew we wanted a contact wheel on this, so we added a 4-inch rubber contact wheel. The contact wheels are incredibly versatile when you're grinding. They're very smooth and can be used for a lot of different applications in a lot of different industries. So we knew we needed that on this machine as well. Some other stuff that we were able to add that is super nice is the machine rotates. So if you're using the small wheel holder, you can rotate the machine down, use the small wheel holder. If you're using that contact wheel on the bottom, you can rotate the machine up and have a little better access to that. Or if you're doing something weird, just adds a little bit of versatility to it. Same with our other machines and every product AmeriBrade makes. We make everything in-house right here in America. We always try to source American aluminum, American steel. We cut, bend, weld, CNC machine. We do everything right here in-house. So we're incredibly proud of that we could make such a high quality machine right here in America, right here in-house. I think one of the important things too with this product is it falls right in line with what we're trying to accomplish as a company. Here to try to give you some tools and the knowledge how to use these tools to improve your situation, make your life better. So this fell right in line with that. So we're super pleased, that we can keep pushing that dream forward. Again, too, I want to thank Neil. He really pushed us and gave us the input to finish this project. So we are incredibly happy to be working with him. So thank you, Neil. And two, if you guys are interested in it, it's on AmeriBrade.com, so check out AmeriBrade and make sure you guys get one.